The Department of Civil Defense has issued a nuclear bomb warning for the entire state of Illinois, including every county until 12 o'clock a.m. Bombs from Iraq have been brought to the United States and they are bombing the area near Joliet Jewel. If you are in a nuclear power plant, evacuate it immediately. Evacuation drills are being practiced around the central and southern Wisconsin area. Please do not be alarmed about the nuclear bombs are also being dropped in the Chicago industrial area. The FBI is currently in the process of finding the people who are bombing the area. Once again, the Department of Civil Defense has issued a nuclear bomb warning for the entire state of Illinois, including every county until 12 o'clock a.m.